here fx is given to us, that is your x minus x square. It is given from minus pi to pi. So here it is given. We can write now that fx is equal to f1x minus f2x. So here f1x is equal to x and f2x is equal to x square. So the Fourier series for x, the Fourier series for x is x is equal to, we have the formula, that is 2 integration n to 1 summation into 1 infinity minus 1 to the power n plus 1 sin nx divided by n. And for the x square, it is the formula pi square by 3 plus 4 and 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n cos nx divided by n square. So we have to first fx, as we know that fx is equal to f1x minus f2x. So now we'll put this value 2 integration summation n1 to infinity minus 1 n plus 1 sin nx divided by n minus, this is for the value of x, now minus for the x square to be my pi square by 3 plus 4 summation and 1 to infinity minus 1 and cos nx by n square. So now we have to solve this one. Is equal to, now we can open the bracket, minus pi square come to this side plus 2 sigma n1 to infinity minus 1 n plus 1 sin nx divided by n minus 4 into summation n1 infinity minus 1 n cos nx by n square. So again we have to we'll take, open this one, minus pi square by 3 plus 2 into sin x by 1 minus half sin 2x, this one open, plus 1 by 3 sin 3x minus dot 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 infinity minus 4 into minus cos x by 1 square plus cos 2x by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square cos 3x minus and plus minus and plus. I have opened this one. Now we have to find the value of this one, pi square by minus pi square by 3 plus 2 sin x divided by 1 minus sin 2x divided by 2 plus sin 3x divided by 3 plus 4 into this is cos x divided by 1 square minus cos 2x divided by 2 square plus 1 cos 3x divided by 3 square. This is 1s, this is plus. So it will again minus. So this one. This is the Fourier series expansion. In this method we have to turn.